Guys, welcome back to the channel, and today let me show you how to calculate the total cost of your Upstart loan. So before borrowing, it's important to calculate the total repayment cost of your loan, including interest and fees. So first, we're going to talk about understanding key loan cost factors. So the factors include loan amount, and that's the principal amount that you borrow. There's also APR, which is the annual percentage rates. This includes the interest rate plus any other fees. You also have loan terms. So shorter loan terms have higher monthly payments but lower overall cost. And there's also origination fee, which is deducted upfront from your loan amount. Next, we're going to talk about how to use the loan formula. So it's total cost equals monthly payments by number of months minus origination fee. So for example, if the loan amount is 10,000 and your APR is 15% with a loan term of 60 months, and then the monthly payment is going to be $237. Paid over 5 years is going to be 14,220, and the total interest paid is going to be 4,220. So next, we're going to talk about how to use Upstart's loan calculator. So Upstart provides a loan calculator on its website, so you can estimate monthly payments and the total repayment cost. So you can make use of that to figure these things out before you go ahead and take the loan. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the video. Hope you guys liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys in the next one.